Disable abbreviation in Argparse. Argparse uses per default abbreviation in unambiguous cases. I don't want abbreviation and I'd like to disable it, but didn't find it in the documentation. Is it possible? Example. But I want it only to be true when the full parameter is supplied. To prevent user errors. Update. I created a ticket at Python bug tracker after Vicky's answer, and it already has been processed.
No, apparently this is not possible. At least in Python 2.7.2. First, I took a look into the documentation, to no avail. Then I opened the lib/argparse.py and looked through the source code. Omitting a lot of details, it seems that each argument is parsed by a regular expression like this, Argparse 2152. This regex will successfully parse both dash and, so we have no control over the short and long arguments. Other regexes use their asterisk construct too, so it does not depend on the type of the parameter, no subarguments, one subargument, etc. Later in the code, double dashes are converted to one dash, only for non-optional args, again, without any flags to control by user.
No, well, not without ugly hacks. The code snippet at Vladimir posted, I suppose that is not what you are looking for. The actual code that is doing this is. See, the check is starts with not equals equals. And you can always extend argparse.argument parser to provide your own _get _option _tuples, self, option _string, to change this behavior. I just did by replacing two occurrence of option _string dot starts with option _prefix to option _string equals option _prefix and a word of caution. The method _get _option _tuples is prefixed with underscore, which typically means a private method in Python. And it is not a good idea to override a private.
As of Python 3.5.0, you can disable abbreviations by initiating the argument parser with the following. Also see the documentation.
Another way for Python 2.7. Let's get clunky. Say you want to recognize dog without abbreviation. By adding a second argument, docs that differs from the argument you want only in the third letter, D and do become ambiguous. Therefore, the parser will refuse to recognize them. You would need to add code to catch the resulting exception and process it according to the context in which you are calling parse_args. You might also need to tweak the help text. The help equals ... keeps the argument out of the option list on the default help message, for this, and metavar equals big norp is just to make it clear you really aren't doing anything with this option, smiley face.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.